Dear students, welcome in your moral science class. Okay, now this is the revision class, because we have already completed the annual course for moral science, which was chapter 4, 5 and 6. We have done the revision of chapter 4 and 5 also. Now this is the revision class for chapter 6 video, and this video is regarding chapter 6 revision. Before starting today's revision, let's see what is the date today. So today's date is 10th February. Okay. Now, you can pause the video here and you have to do one thing. What you have to do? You have to read the chapter once. Because when you will read the chapter, the whole story you will recall the whole story. The whole story will be clear to you. And those who have not seen the previous video, which was the main video for this chapter, where we have done the reading and the book exercises, you can go and watch that video also for clear and better understanding. Okay, now let's proceed with the revision for this chapter, caring for others. What is the story all about? The story is all about what? Caring. We should care each other. How? In your family, you are the younger one, yes, or you are having any other younger brother or sister to you. What you will do? You will take care of them, or the elders or the parents of yours will take care of you. Why? Why? Because they love you, and you also love your brother and sister, so you will also take care of them. You love your grandparents or parents, so you will take care of them also. Everyone loves what? Caring. Okay. If you are hungry, if you are feeling thirsty, someone will, or your mother will give you food or water to drink, right? Why? Because they care for you. Similarly, when the grandparents are old and they need some care, you should take care of them. If they want anything, suppose if they want their specs, or if they want their newspaper, please pass me the newspaper. You should not argue with them, you should help them, because when you were young, your grandparents or your parents has helped you also. So let's see the story which is in this book, that is about the elephants. Okay, so two elephants are there. One is the baby elephant and the other one is the old elephant. All the elephant family here, which is mentioned in the story, lives where? In the Himalayan region. And what happened when the baby elephant was very young, then very small, what happened? The old elephant used to take care of the baby elephant. He used to provide him with the food, he used to provide him with water to play, or take him to the pool to splash, and all these. They do various things for amusement also, and took care of the baby elephant. Who? The old elephant. Similarly, what happened? The time passed. Now the old elephant grew older and the baby elephant has grown up young. Okay. Now what happened? One day, the king has seen the young elephant now, which was the baby elephant. Now it has become young elephant. So the king has seen the young elephant and said, this elephant is very nice. I should keep it in the royal stable. That means the king took the elephant with him to the palace. There he provided him with good food, proper dress is there for the elephant. You know what type of dress? One cloth is there to give on the, to keep it on the back of the elephant. Okay, everything was given there, but what happened? The baby elephant was very sad. Why? He was having proper food, he was having proper dress, and he was living a royal life. Then also he was sad. Why? Because he was remembering, or he was missing his old friend. Which old friend? The old elephant who took care of this baby elephant. Now as the time has passed, that old elephant has grown up very weak and he has turned blind also. Blind means who cannot see. Okay. Now the baby elephant was very sad. He didn't like the food, he didn't like the dress, and he wanted to go back to the old elephant. One day the king asked, I am giving you such a royal food to eat. I am giving you such a royal place to stay. Why you are so sad? The baby elephant said, I want to go to my old friend. On hearing this, the baby elephant said the whole story, like when he was young, how the old elephant used to take care of him. Similarly, now it's my turn to take care of the old elephant. So I want to go back to my old friend. Hearing all this, the king felt very bad and he freed him. He allowed him to go. Now the baby elephant was very happy to meet his old friend, and by his doings he made him realize that yes, I am back. I am back to play with you. I am back to take care of you. So everyone requires what? Caring. Suppose if you are hungry and your mother doesn't give you food, how you will feel? Bad, na? How is my mama? She is not giving me food. I am very hungry. How is my mama? You will feel bad, right? Similarly, everyone needs care and love. You should give care and love, and then you will also get care and love from other people. So this was the whole story. Now let's solve the book exercises. And yes, those who have not done the book exercises, now solve with me. Okay, let's begin. Now I will not copy the question. I will just write it down. First one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is the story? What is the fill up? Let's see. Number 1. The baby elephant lives in Himalayas with whom? With family, aunt or uncle? With family. Now second one, we should dash for others. We should do what? We should fight, we should care, or we should shout. We should care. Now the third one, Dash took baby elephant to the royal stable. Who took the baby elephant? King, queen, or the father? Who took? It is the king. Now the fourth answer. The elephant was covered with what? Silk and jewels, jute and cotton, red cloth. So being in the royal stable, he was covered with silk and jewels. So the answer is silk and jewels. Okay. Now let's move to the true and false. I will just divide the page here only. I will divide the board and I will solve the true false here. True or false. So let's read. The baby elephant had a friend who became blind. Yes, the statement is true. Because now the old elephant has become blind. Second one, the king did not give food to baby elephant. No, this is false because the king had given him nice food, but the baby elephant didn't eat. So this is false. Now the third one. The baby elephant was upset when he was separated from his friend. Yes, he was upset. So this statement is true. And the last one, that is the fourth one, the baby elephant was not set free by the king. No, this statement is false. Why? Because as soon as the king came to know that the baby elephant is feeling sad for the old elephant, he immediately set him free. So this statement is false. So by this we have again done the book exercises for the chapter caring for others, and I hope you have understood the moral of the story that we should take care of others, and you have done the exercises, those who have not done. So start learning with me. I will revise the answer once again. So the first one is family. The baby elephant used to live with family. Second, we should take care of others. The king took the baby elephant away to the royal stable, and the baby elephant, which type of dress he got, means the elephant got? Silk and jewels. Okay. Now the statement, first one is true, second one is false, again true, and the fourth one is false. That's all for this chapter, and we have done with the revision for the chapter 6, caring for others. I hope the video is clear to you. And now important information, that is in our next class, that is in our next moral science class, we are going to do what? Revision test. I have done the revision from my side. Now I will give you a set of questions. You have to solve it. Okay. So all the best for your next class. Okay. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Bye-bye.